Welcome to the SCMRAM, Saudi Capital Market Rules, Asset Managers Course Portal. Here you can track your progress, access chapter summaries, a cheat sheet, flashcards, and mock exams. The chapter summaries section offers distilled expert workbooks to master the official syllabus. Here we see Chapter 1, Capital Market Services and Custody, providing regulatory framework details. Each chapter summary highlights examinable areas, common pitfalls, and exam tricks to help focus your study efforts. These sections help solidify key concepts. The summaries continue with additional exam notes, numerical values, and potential exam traps, ensuring you grasp all essential details for the chapters on public and private funds. The quick cheat sheet provides a searchable reference for definitions, thresholds, and timelines. You can filter content by topics like fund termination, custody and assets, and more. The Study Flashcards module uses active recall to help you memorize key rules and facts. This is an effective way to test your knowledge with 60 available cards for the deck. Clicking the card reveals the answer, allowing you to gauge your mastery before moving to the next card. This helps reinforce learning through immediate feedback. The Mock Exam Hub includes 200 questions across 4 unique, unlimited attempts. Exams are categorized as Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed, each with 50 questions. Before starting an exam, you can review details like the time limit and passing score. Note that explanations are available for all questions once you submit. During the mock exam, you'll answer multiple choice questions. The progress bar and time remaining are visible to help manage your pace through the 50 questions. Upon completion, the exam results provide a detailed correction review. This includes the correct answer and a full explanation for each question, aiding your understanding. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is a beta feature ready to answer any questions you have about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, providing personalized support.